Oh, hello there. Welcome to Kirk TV. I am Kirk, and I am not the Jedi you're looking for. So I have a small problem in my garden, but before we get to the garden problem, let's go check out some of these raised beds and I'll show you what I have going on in there. In this bed, we have some melons going. I think those are cantaloupes, watermelons, more watermelons, and in the middle here, we're getting some peas starting to grow up. Good stuff there. Right there where the rabbit was living, we put a geranium. I think that's what they are. She's trying to nest here in this raised bed because I believe she's ready for baby time, but I'm not letting her do it. Bed number 3 here is popping big time. A lot of pumpkins coming up here. We got a big pumpkin plant, another pumpkin plant, pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. And over here we got some watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Really, really happy with the way this bed is turning out. So far so good on that bed. It's bed number 4. This bed isn't raised, it's just compost on the ground. And of course I got some visitors over here. You see these 2 guys. Mama's over there, she's ready to make some babies. Hey, stay away from my watermelons, you. Look at this girl go. She's gone. Anyway, check out these watermelons we got going over here. They're really starting to pop. Look at these. Watermelons stringing along, moving nicely. Over here, more pumpkins. Watermelons, pumpkins, 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 cantaloupes. More things. I just threw compost. I just threw a bunch of compost down on the ground there, threw in some seeds and hoped for the best. This year's gardening is really just experimenting, throwing as much stuff in the ground as I can and seeing what grows. So the problem is this. Cucumbers have taken over. They're everywhere. I really mismanaged my cucumber planting here. Let's take a closer look. These cukes just have blown up and are just moving over and taking over everything. This whole garden is going to be just overloaded with cucumber, I believe, at this point. I harvested a bunch the other day, and right now we seem to be in a lull. It looks as though we don't have any ready to pick, but there are loads and loads of little guys on here. Another shot view of just how much cucumbers are taking over, moving into everything. The section of the tomatoes is getting overrun. They're running over here. I also mismanaged, and I probably shouldn't have planted pumpkins in here. Sunflowers, they were up to my shoulder last week. This sunflower now is above my head. Rumor has it they'll get to be about 12 feet tall, but it is an enormous plant. And it's gonna be fun to see that bad boy grow. But look at this squash. I have this giant squash plant. This plant is huge. I've got one little squash growing and it's about this big. So wanna see it? Let's check it out. They fall off sometimes. I don't know why my squashes fall off and die. But let's go look at this little squash. Hello, little squash. Where are you hiding? You're behind that flower. Oh, there you are. One squash. There it is. Eggplant, though, right next to it. I got one little eggplant over there. And then there's this eggplant here. Coming in. Oh, terrible. There's another eggplant. So there you go. Quick little garden update, what we got going on here at our Mountain Roots Urban Farm. Thank you for joining me. And if you haven't started a garden yet, it's not too late. Put some dirt in the ground, throw some seeds in, and just see what happens. Just see what happens. It'll be worth it. Trust me. I am blown away about what we got going on here. And I'm a moron when it comes to gardening. I got trees now. I got plants out the wazoo. It's really amazing. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just plant, because you're going to need to. I don't understand what's going on with the food situation in the world today, but it seems pretty messed up. So I'm stocking up. I'm going to get my food ready so I don't have to rely on anybody else but me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and if you haven't checked out the link below to buy me a tree, you really need to. So go down, hit the link, buy me a tree, check it out. Jason did. He loves it. So do it. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.